Hi guys, welcome to David's tutorial again, and today I will show you how to use the Envato AI tool. It is actually pretty simple to use the Envato AI. So since all of this is auto-generated, just need to log in and subscribe to their subscription. Use the AI toolbar, which is right here. You can type what you need. For instance, Instagram post for coffee shop or modern YouTube intro. Let's search in. Then it will show you this category right here, which will have video templates, music, and etc. You will have templates and you can download them. You can also customize it if you want. So right here, you can customize it whatever you want and according to your wants. And once you're happy, you can download the design in your preferred format and post or publish instantly. That's it. And how to download it? Just tap on the download icon.